Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the sign in user account picture that appears when you're signing in to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So if you just want to completely remove any images and just have your name and no profile icon above it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to remove that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu and type in regedit. Best match, come back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Before you proceed, I would suggest you create a backup of your registry, so if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location. So now that we've done that, we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Locate Microsoft and you want to double click on that. Locate the Windows folder, so you're going to have to scroll down a little bit here. And once you've located that, double click on it. Should be a current version folder. Double click on that one as well. Locate policies and double click on it. And then finally, there should be an Explorer folder. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, it's up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under to get to this point. And now on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area. Select new and then select the word 32-bit value. Name this value use default tile, exactly how you see it on my screen. So again, use default tile. Hit enter on your keyboard. Now you want to double click on this value and set it to 1, so delete the 0, type a numerical value of 1. Base should be hexadecimal, which is default, so just keep that exactly how you see it on my screen. Select OK. Now down the road, if you want to undo it, you can just delete this D word value we created. That's all we did in this tutorial. So you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and honestly, you need to restart your computer anyway in order to see it. Well, I guess you could sign out or go to sleep mode, and then when you have to enter back in your password, you would see the lock screen, but you would need to restart your computer for the change to actually take effect. And then you just would restart your computer, and that should hopefully be about it. And then you would need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that's about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.